Hey, welcome to another finance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to transfer USDT from MoonPay to Binance. We're going to head over Binance and sign in for our account. As you can see, I have here my account, but it is not going to be verified. In your case, it must be verified. We're going to head over the deposit button at the header or up top. Click and you're going to select I have crypto assets. Why? Because on MoonPay we only have crypto assets. So we're going to click on that button and we're going to get to this menu. Basically, you're going to select the coin that you want. As you can see, it is going to limit me for verifying my account, but it doesn't matter. So here, as you can see, the first step is to select the coin. As you can see, we have BTC, Ethereum, USDT. So we are going to click on USDT, and then we are going to select the network if it is going to be the ERC20 or the TRC20. And we're going to get the deposit address. We're going to copy that deposit address, and we're going to head over MoonPay. Basically, it is going to be a transaction that it is going to be made into your phone. So based on the region that you're going to be in, maybe it is going to allow you, or if you do not have the allowance, you can use VPN. And you're going to have the option to send crypto. Click on send, you're going to find it here. And then you're going to paste your address. After that, you're going to select the number or the amount that you're going to send, just like buy-in from your wallet, but it is going to from your wallet. I'm going to have here USDT, for example, TRC, and we're going to click on continue. And after that, we're going to confirm the address and send it. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.